If you've been using a TENS device with an ear clip to stimulate your vagus nerve, you know how annoying this cheeky bugger is, especially with the conductive gel. It just slips off your tragus all the time if you move, or sometimes on its own. If you have 5 minutes and a hot glue gun, I can show you how to make it slightly more comfortable to the ear and improve your tVNS experience. Let's get to it. All the tools required to make this work are fairly simple. You will need obviously your glue gun, something sharp or abrasive because we want to mat the area. We want to make it slightly more dull so the glue is going to stick to it better. And that's basically it. All links to the device and the tools I'm using here I'll put in the description below, so you can always just find it there. But let's begin. So the step one, we will start with our wires, with our cables. What you want to do, you want to twist them as much as you can. Not really tight, but just make just a twist like this. And then we can just reconnect them. So just like that. And as I said, we can use something sharp just to scratch the area here, because we want to make it dull and we want to make the grooves in there so the glue is going to stick to it. Not really hard, but just a bit to help with sticking the glue. So the step two is to split the wires a bit. This will be attached to the clip, and then we will have this area connected as well. So let's fire up our glue gun. I just want some kind of cloth under there just because it may be dripping. Right, so our glue gun is getting ready now. So it may get slightly messy, so be careful. It's a hot glue, but what we want to do, we want to just put there a bit of a drop here on the clip itself first. And you want to attach the cable, just put it on the drop that we created. And now we want to put the glue on top of the wire to connect it with the previous drop of the glue. And now just give it a second to dry. You can just hold it as well, just to make sure it's not moving and it's going to be firm and stable. You can blow some air on as well, just to speed up the process. And that should nicely dry in a second. You can see it's getting slightly whiter. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but it is getting slightly whiter. That means it is drying, and then this bad boy is kind of dripping in a second, so I just need to get that on the cloth. Right, and this is one side done. But look, it is just all nicely attached. And now we just have to do the same thing on the other side. So, already I've got a drop here. Place that on the clip itself. And now place the wire in the middle. Hold it with your finger. And now we're on top. Right. And now we're just going to hold this in the position and just wait a moment. It's all starting to dry up again. And we should be good for phase 2 of the gluing. Okay, that's almost dry. And these And these steps are fairly additional. You don't have to necessarily do it anymore. But if you want to make sure everything is nice and stable, we can add the glue on the wire itself, so it won't be moving around too much, because the clips, they will be moving. So what I'm doing, I'm just going around just to connect them. Oops. So these will just remain connected together, because these twist and very often they just kind of move around. We want to make sure that the wires aren't just, not in the way, because very often they're going to go left, right, and they're going to be touching here, they're going to be moving, but now they're going to be connected, so they should stay together and they should stay in one place. And right now, this end as well, if we want to connect this bit, because what you really want to, when you open the clip, you want enough room to have that, so you just grab it around, I would say 1 centimeter, 2 centimeters top in here, and then you can just add glue around. Oh, it's dripping. As you can see, sometimes it can get a bit messy. Right, so I'm going to do the same thing, just a drop here, go around to connect them together. And that should be already lovely. Right, so let's just give it a second to dry, and we will try it up, and we'll try it on the ear. And there we have it. Job done. It takes really short time, about 5 minutes. And you can always reverse it, it's not damaging the clip, it's not damaging the cables. If you want to take it off, there's no issue. You just literally need to kind of just peel it a bit, and it will be released. So let's have a look how this will sit on the ear now. Okay, so let's try it on. And so we just go from the behind, and what I like to just go behind the ear, and then we have it. What do you think? Yeah, that just stays on much better. And of course with the gel, it's still going to be a bit slippy, but now it's just secured from the top and just kind of just pulls it up, so it doesn't want to just kind of go down. And so it should be much more comfortable to use it. And there we have it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel and like the video, and I see you in the next one. Take care.